Kael's adventure begins. 12-year-old Kael lived in the quiet village of Windmere, where nothing exciting ever happened, until the day he found the compass. Buried beneath an old oak tree, it wasn't ordinary. Its needle spun wildly, then pointed toward the distant Mistwood Forest. Curious and craving adventure, Kael packed some bread, a slingshot, and followed the compass's pull. The forest was alive with strange sounds and glowing plants. Along the way, he befriended a talking fox named Tiri, who claimed the compass once belonged to a legendary explorer. Deep in Mistwood, Kael faced trials. Tricky riddles, swift rivers, and a shadow beast guarding an ancient gate. With Tiri's cleverness and his own courage, he outwitted the creature and unlocked the gate with the compass, revealing a hidden valley full of sky islands and floating ruins. Kael realized this was only the beginning. He didn't return to Windmere right away. Instead, he left a note for his parents. "Kael, don't worry, I'll be back. I'm off to finish someone else's adventure and start my own." With the whispering compass in hand and Tiri at his side, Kael stepped forward, heart pounding with wonder and wild dreams.